How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. I'm Adrian. This is WildHook Adventures, back at it again. We're out here at Cochiti Lake. The water levels have completely dropped below the bathrooms. The bathrooms are exposed again, so let's see what we can do. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the show. Alright, let's see what's lurking around here. Super muddy, so if you guys are planning on coming out here, prepare to walk in the mud. Put on some gloves because it is kind of chilly today. I've been able to get this close to this little boathouse in a long time. See if anything bites on our shad over there. Anything on this side of the dock. Everything is super muddy here. But it's still nice to see that water level drop. Let's see, I haven't been able to get anything to bite. Not on the cut bait, not on the lure. Right here. Yeah. That's your casting bed. So look, let me show you something. You're holding your line way back here when you cast.
Oh, what am I supposed to hold?
Put your fingers like this.
Like this? Ah, okay, that makes sense.
And then your line sits farther out. You're putting it too far back here, so and it's probably hitting it.
And it's closing it.
Yeah. See if that works for you. See, you want it to spin like that. You want to reel it in fast enough to make it spin. And then every now and then try to switch spots, and then watch how I cast like towards the bank but not too close to the bank. Look, and then you pull it sideways, because sometimes they're in the shallows and you'll get their attention and they'll follow it. You just have to switch spots if you do that, because we have this one and yours on the other side. Oh, you got one? Nice. Let them fight you. Reel in when you can. Bet you got a pike. Yep, you got a pike. Looks like you got tangled up on your line. Just keep reeling. There we go. Let them fight you. Reel in when you can. Reel in when you can. Let him fight you if he takes off. Keep going. Keep going. Nice.
Oh, that's my first pike.
It is. You hooked him perfect. Here, put your hand right here on the side of the gill, right there, and squeeze tight, and don't let him move on you because he could cut you. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful pike that my girl just pulled out. Looks about 30 to 32. Beautiful. Right now we're really slow as well. We don't have much work coming in, so we're not hiring right now. Wait. All right, thank you. Bye.
That was pretty cool.
Good job.
Thank you.
All right, you guys. I got skunked today, but my girl was on the fish. She ended up catching one pike. I had a couple of bites, but they kept coming off. I couldn't set my hook on them, but you know, we still had a fun time out here. I'm glad she was finally able to catch her first pike. She caught him on a spinner out here at Cochiti. It was a nice chill day. A little chilly at times. That little breeze would pick up and get a little cold, but we still had a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching.